Hey guys, it's Blue from Team Pros here with a little video. I got a Duelist Pack Jaden 2 box from Korea. It was only like €15, so I thought why not. So I'm just gonna crack this thing open. So I think it's 30 packs. I do want to keep one just for a GX collection I'm starting to do. So I'm going to put that off to the side. But yeah, I think it's 30 packs then, or 29. So we'll crack into that now. I'm actually not too sure about what's in the card set. Yeah. For people who don't know, like OCG packs are a lot harder to open than TCG ones. So yeah, so we'll do it slowly, let people see some of the commons for the start, and then we'll get through. So there's a wild heart, oversoul, oh cool, we got an ultra, barrel from a different dimension, that's cool. So one full start things off, one hero barrier, and common soul, and then we have a green tip card for fair meter crush. Okay, so start things off with a foil. It's pretty strong. Yeah, GX is just like my favorite part of the Yu-Gi-Oh! So I decided to like buy a box just to kind of. So the hollow should be the middle one, so I'll just put it to the back. Okay, so we've got Hero Kid, Wild Wingman, Neo Space. I think it's like Kid Guard, and a ML Hero Aqua Neos for a rare. So these packs either come with a foil or a rare, similar to like the early Yu-Gi-Oh packs. But yeah, so yeah, just gonna keep going. So one to the back, two to the front. A Chrysalis Dolphin, War Righteous Justice, Kid Guard, Fake Hero, and oh shit, that's really nice. Ultra Rare Card Trooper in Korean. That'd be cool. Card Trooper is probably the best thing to get from this because, like, at least I can put it in old format stuff. And it has a use. Same with the barrel, actually, I can put that in something. So yeah, tip card, we've already seen. Yeah, two to the front. So we've got console, we've seen all these. Wild Edge, it is. It's Blade Edge, Wild Man, the Wild Heart. Okay, so on the cards to the front. I think it's got like contact or something to do with like Chrysalis. Hero Kid. Oh, cool. We got a foil. I can't remember the name of the card. Edge something. So it's something to do with Blade Man. So far we've got 3 foils and 2 rares in 5 packs, which is quite good. So the commons will go here, the foils, and the rares will go to the left. You can see how much better these packs are made. They're like glued properly. A lot of people use scissors, and I know why. So another code card, to the front. Fake Hero, code card. Oh cool, it's the first Neos. So, and for the rare, Dark Panther. I guess I'll put Neos off to the side. what, the 7-pack? Yeah. So, Aqua Dolphin. To defense. Oh, and speaking of the devil, there is a Korean Aqua Dolphin. Neos. I kind of want to just get a set of Neoses there as well, so that's why I'm putting them off to the side. Okay, so I put one there. A hero, Flash. Didn't see any of those. There's my third Neos, and cool. There's a Dark Neos. The fusion, if it will just focus. No, it doesn't want to focus. Okay. Still, that's 1 foil every 2 packs, I think it is. Yeah, I've got 8 packs and 4 foils. So I'm not too sure what like set ratios are like in Korea. I've only ever bought 1 Korean box ever, and it was a gold series, like maybe like 10 years ago, or not 10 years ago, like 2011, so like 7 years ago. So yeah, I'm not too certain on like set ratios and stuff. There's a Blade Edge, but yeah, I remember when I was like, oh, it was 2011, so it would have been like, I would have been like, what, 13, 12. When I saw it in like the Korean Guild series, they had like Cataster and Bryo and stuff as commons, so I was like, oh my god. And it was like €15. Oh, I think this is Kid Guard, or Kid Flash or something. Anyway, yeah, so that's my fault. But yeah, basically I thought Korean cards were playable because it's like Cataster, Bryo. I don't know which guild series it was, to be honest, but I knew they were in it from like the eBay seller had them listed in the card set. So I was like, it was only like €15 for a box, and I was like, oh my god, that's so good. Why has no one else done this? And then I found out that I wasn't able to. So there's a Neo Space. I don't know if I've pulled one yet or whatever. There is a Flame Neos. So far we have Flame Aqua and Dark. I'm not sure if they're all in this set. I didn't look too much into what was in the set before getting it. I just saw it was Jaden, and there's an Aqua Neos, and there's a card set, which obviously doesn't help us. But I can see that E emergency calls in it, and there is 2 ultras and 4 supers, and we've got 2 ultras and 3 supers, so we might pull everything from this set. It would look nice to have a master collection of, I guess. Yeah, there's another Wild Edge. So from this point, just to speed things up, I'm just gonna run through the comments, because I'm pretty sure we've gotten everything so far. But if something new comes up, there's no overspill. Okay, I'm not sure what the other super rare is. It could be one of the other fusions. Oh, okay, that's last super. Light Laser, I think it is. A quick spell for light monsters. See, that's the same one. Okay, so there's all the foils pulled from the set. And how many rares are in this set? 4, 5, 7, 7. 7 different rares, and we have 6 of them. So we just need to put one more, and we'll find out what the last rare is. That's cool. Okay. Right. I see it's like 10 minutes in the video. I'm like, I should really hurry up. But opening these packs is probably the longest part. Oh, okay. So now we have all the cards. That's a Flare Scarab to round up all the foils and rares in the set. I'd like to pull another Ultra, just so I could use it in something else. There's another Light Laser. Just because things like Card Trooper and Burial are quite nice to have for like other formats. See, Card Trooper was relevant for like the longest time, and then a lot of formats that I like to play. This is a neat call. Let's say cheese out. Yeah, even things like Cat, obviously Aquadolphin being relevant now with Doki. But things like Dark Panther and stuff is relevant for things like Cat format. So another kid card. Actually, just to kind of sidetrack from the video, I just got an ulti Dark Panther, and shout out to Cormac. And like some of the fusions as well. So yeah, I'm really like new Spacians is like my favorite part of Yu-Gi-Oh. So yeah, that's everything in the set. But I would like to get another Card Trooper. No, Flare Scarab. I don't think I've pulled one yet, but a Cyclone Boomerang, I think is the name there. And we got another set list. Another Aquadolphin. I'd quite like to get a set of actually all the rares. I think we've got a set of Panthers. Yeah, as you can see. Yep, so there's our set of Aquadolphin. Yeah, we're just gonna fly through these now because there's not much else. Another Blade Edge. Yeah, I really enjoy opening this product. There's a seller. I'll either stick him up in the description. Who he ships to, and he ships internationally worldwide. And he sells like green boxes for like €20 with shipping. So he's quite good if you're like interested in this kind of stuff. Yeah. I'm not too sure of the guy's name. The guy's first name is Jin, I think. So yeah, there's another Aquadolphin, so I've got a spare Aquadolphin. And 2 more packs. I'd really like to get another Card Trooper, but I'm not sure how their set works. So that's our 3rd Blade Edge, I think. Yeah. And the final pack. Come on. I'll just do it properly for this one. Okay, so Hero Barrier, Common Soul, Tricky, Hero, and yeah, another Flare Neos. So yeah, that brings everything together. For a recap, I think we got like 2 Wild Edge, or 3 Wild Edge, 3 Blade Edge, 4 Aquadolphin, 3 Panther, 2 Scarab, 2 Aqua Neos, and 3 Flare Neos. And then for foils, we got 2 Kid Guard, 2 Light Laser, 1, I think it's Edge Hammer or Hammer Edge or something, 1 Dark Neos, and then the 2 Ultras were Card Trooper and Barrel, which were the only two Ultras in the set. So yeah, that finishes up the box opening, and thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.